Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy the Opti token. It's quite easy to get this token. All you need to do is log on to your browser. Once there, log on to coinmarketcap.com, and with coinmarketcap.com, the link would be in the description of the video. We can simply find exchanges where we can purchase the Optimism AI or the Opti token. So simply scroll down. And once you've scrolled down, you'll be met with a list of all the exchanges, both centralized and decentralized exchanges that are hosting the Optimus AI token. And to find a centralized exchange that's hosting it, click on the centralized exchange option. You'd find Gate.io, BitGet, Mexi, and EX Markets. As you can see, Mexi is one of the exchanges that are hosting the Optimus AI. So now all we need to do is simply, if you click on the decentralized exchange, we can get Opti using the wrapped Ethereum that's on Uniswap. We could make use of Uniswap to get some of the Optimus. So now all you need to do to perform any of these transactions is minimize. For the decentralized exchange, which is basically Uniswap, all you need to do is open up any wallet like your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet. For this video, I'll be working with Trust Wallet. Once you've opened up Trust Wallet, how can you get yourself some Optimus AI? All you need to do is simply search for the Ethereum. That is ETH, that's mainnet Ethereum. This Ethereum right here. Make sure you have this Ethereum to be able to cover your gas fees and any other transaction fees that are listed. Once you have that Ethereum, all you need to do is head over to the browser section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down till you find the popular exchanges space. Click on Uniswap Exchange. And once the site has opened up, click on the connect option and simply click on Trust Wallet. Once you've clicked on Trust Wallet, you're going to be prompted to connect your wallet to the exchange. So click on connect and boom, the Trust Wallet or our Trust Wallet has been connected. And where we have the select tokens option, simply click on the drawdown and simply search for, once you've searched for the Opti, click on the Optimus AI. That's this Optimus AI right here. Click on it, click on continue. Once you've selected this, in the place of Ethereum, search for wrapped Ethereum. Here we go, wrapped ETH. And now with your wrapped Ethereum, all you need to do is enter an amount. So let's say 0.5. And you could be getting a good amount of the Optimus token. As you can see, all you need to do is simply click on swap and your wrapped Ethereum would then be swapped into Optimus. So with that done, you could also get your Optimus from a centralized exchange. The centralized exchange in the question is Mexi. So all you need to do is open up the Mexi platform. Once there, make sure you have an account. If you do not have an account on Mexi, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 1,000 USDT worth of welcome bonuses when you register and verify. So guys, simply click on the wallet section, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the deposit option and simply deposit some USDT on Mexi because the trading pair for the Optimus AI is USDT on Mexi. So make sure you use any of the networks to deposit yourself some USDT. Another option of getting the USDT would be to make use of the fiat option, where you simply click on buy crypto and then add your card. That's your card details, both your MasterCard or Visa card, any of which you use, and simply click on your region. So your region could be here, let's say Euro, pounds, dollar, Russian rubies, any of them could be used to get some of the USDT. So once you've gotten yourself some USDT, head over to the trade option at the bottom of the screen. Where we have SAMO USDT, click on SAMO USDT and search for Opti. That's Optimus USDT. Click on Optimus USDT, click on the limit and select market. By doing this, we get to buy the Optimus token immediately via the market price. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to spend in this space. And once you've entered the amount you wish to spend, simply click on Buy Optimus. And once that's done, head to the wallet section, click on Spot, and perform a simple reload, and you'd find the Optimus token there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.